Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add lip color to your face in CapCut application. Okay, let's get started. For example, I'm going to add lip color to this girl's face. So first of all, guys, we can tap on the video like this, and you have to scroll all the way to the right until you find the retouch option. Click on this retouch option, then click on face, and here you have to go to the makeup section. Then you have to click on lipstick, and here we can select the lipstick we would like to apply to our face. And for instance, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and you can adjust the lipstick like this. And after you're done adjusting the lipstick, you can click on the check mark, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add lip color to our face in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.